People may think that liquor bottles are a very ordinary commodity, and all the glass bottles produced by each factory are the same, because there are no differences in the production process or the equipment. This viewpoint is inaccurate. In fact, different factories does have some small differences. For example, the raw materials. Although the material we purchase have been tested and certified, we still need to filter them again to remove the smallest impurities. So I can assure you that our material is the cleanest. In addition, the proportion of raw material is also very important. Not every factory can produce the most crystalline glass bottles, which requires highly experienced technicians and the cleanest environment. We have a cleaning team whose daily job is to repeatedly clean the production line and all the mold. They are not ordinary cleaners. Their work is done strictly according to the hygiene standards, and their salaries are high, which is unimaginable in other factories. Our purpose in doing this detail is to make the glass bottles more crystal. We believe that the spirit or liquor are elegant artworks, so this bottle should also be some exquisite artworks.